Hello friends, since you're watching this video, you would want to know if hydroponics is the right investment for you or not for starting a commercial business or home gardening. So you'll be having a few questions in your mind such as, is hydroponic farming easy? Is hydroponic system costly? If so, how much investment is needed? Is it healthier than soil farming? Or is it organic? And does the crops yield faster in hydroponics compared to traditional soil farming? So, by the end of this article, you will decide whether to work on this method or not. So guys, the first benefit of hydroponics is that it is completely soilless. Farming is done with the use of water with nutrients available. Because the plants are grown without soil, they can eliminate some tasks such as aeration, weeds and fumigation. Also guys, there won't be any hassle of soil testing before planting in this case, so you can say that it is easy and requires less maintenance once it is automated. Secondly, the plants in this system can be closely placed to each other because the roots are sunk within the container, making the plants grow straight. The best part is that it can be grown both indoors in your house with grow lights or outdoor. Whereas in conventional farming, plants are more spread out and takes up a lot of space and requires proper light. Then by controlling the climate by using sprinklers covering the system and maintaining humidity, there are better chances of growing winter grown crops like strawberries in summer. You need to keep in mind that the use of right quantities of nutrients for the plants is as much important as controlling climate for growing a variety of plants in any season. Later, when your setup is ready, you need to check your pH and EC values in nutrient water for better quality growth. The standard pH range of hydroponic greens is 5.5 to 6.5, whereas the EC and TDS values varies according to the plant. If you want detailed explanation on pH and EC values of hydroponic plants, do check out the link in the description below. Then when compared to soil farming, hydroponics has greater growth rate because of its set climate control and nutrients. In this, the plant roots do not go in search of nutrients in soil, but instead they put their focus on directly obtaining nutrients where their roots are in contact within the water. One another reason of why hydroponics is easy, because the hydroponic seeds can be grown in many different mediums and can be easily transplanted into the hydroponic system by just putting into the pots compared to plucking it out from the soil. And with fewer work in hydroponic system compared to soil farming, your time is saved along with the labors needed to maintain the farm. Thereby cost of labors can be reduced. Now coming to the disadvantages of hydroponics. Firstly, to maintain the system, a proper knowledge of setting up the temperature, humidity and lighting is required, along with mixing up the nutrients and checking the pH TDS levels as per the plants. Initially, a great deal of commitment of frequent checkups is required for the plant to settle. Until you do not automate it, maintenance can be a big task for starting up the setup when compared to soil farming. Then looking at the startup cost, although the resources and labor costs are less for the system, the cost of setting up the system is very high compared to soil based farming, and that is why the return on investment becomes longer. Also, funding for these type of investment is difficult to get unless the investor is assured of a plan to drive sales. Later, after you set up and transplant the plant into the channel, there is a high chance of diseases and pests to quickly spread from one plant to another as the plants are connected to the same tank of the nutrients. And lastly guys, power outages can be a big problem as even with the backup generators, the plants in the system are at a high risk of getting damaged as most of the systems are automated based, which could have system failures of course. Thus, choosing long-lasting generators are a better option but adds up the investment cost. So guys, is hydroponics the right way towards the future? Well, I would say undeniably it is. It is certain that there are few downfalls in this system, but the technology and chemistry for the plantation is always on the upper trend in the future. Therefore, it gets easier to maintain and run the hydroponic system. So guys, do comment your views on this subject and thank you for watching this video and please do like and subscribe it.